Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is about how to balance chemical reaction using half reaction method or ionic method in acidic medium. So we have this method from class 11th, and in this method we have two types of reactions, like one in acidic medium, one in basic medium. So this video is only about the reactions which are going through in the acidic medium. Okay, let's start the video. First we will learn some rules about how to start. So first rule is write the equation in ionic form. That is, most of the time we will get the reaction in the ionic form, no worry about that thing. Second rule is determine the element that are being oxidized and reduced. So how to do this? When we write the oxidation number of elements, we will know that some elements will show the increase in oxidation number after reaction and some shows decrease in oxidation number. If the oxidation number increases, then it is a oxidation, and if the oxidation number decreases, then it is a reduction. So I can write this is increase in oxidation number means oxidation, and decrease in oxidation number means reduction. From this trick we will identify which element is oxidizing and which element is reducing. After that, now next point is break the equation into oxidation half and the reduction half. When we understand the elements which are oxidizing and reducing, then we will break the reaction in two halves and write that thing. After that, balancing will start. For that, rule number 4 will be applied, in which first of all we balance the elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. When it is balanced, after that we will balance oxygen by writing the number of water on the opposite side of the oxygen. It is a bit confusing, but when we start doing the example, you will be clear about that. Next point is, after balancing oxygen, we will jump up to hydrogen. For balancing hydrogen, what we need to do? We need to add H plus ion, because the reaction is going on in the acidic medium. So we will add H plus ion where the hydrogen is deficient. After that, balance the total charge by adding electrons. After that, we will check the total charge also, and we will add the electrons where it is needed. The last rule is, now add the two half reactions and cancel the electrons. After that, we will get a complete balanced reaction. Okay, this is the rule. Let's start the example and we will remind one by one the steps in the rule. So this is our example. So first we have a reaction Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus. It will give Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. So this is a reaction which is already in the ionic form. So most of the time the rule number 1 is not applied, because we will get the reaction in ionic form every time. So now come up to second step. Second step is to determine the elements which are being oxidized and reduced. For this, we will need to write the oxidation number of the elements, and then we will check which is the increasing oxidation number and which is the decreasing oxidation number. So first we will get the oxidation number. For here, for chromium, we will get it is 2x plus 7, and for oxygen minus 2 is equal to, and whole species having minus 2. So 2x minus 14 is equal to minus 2. So 2x is equal to 14 minus 2. X will be 12 by 6 and it is plus 6. So chromium is having plus 6 oxidation number on left hand side. Now for SO3 we will get the sulfur oxidation number. So let's assume sulfur is X plus 3 minus 2 for oxygen minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So X minus 6 is equal to minus 2. X will be 6 minus 2 is equal to plus 4. So sulfur is having plus 4 oxidation number. Let's check on the right hand side. Chromium is having plus 3 oxidation number. Why? Because chromium is in elemental form. So plus 3 is its oxidation state. So this is plus 3. So for SO4 2 minus we will get for sulfur X plus 4 minus 2 for oxygen and minus 2 for species. X minus 8 is equal to minus 2 and X is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to plus 6. So sulfur is having here plus 6. Now after getting the oxidation number we will assign the oxidation and reduction. So for chromium we will see plus 6 to plus 3. Chromium is turning from plus 6 to plus 3. That is oxidation number is decreasing. So decrease means reduction. So this is our reduction. So we will say chromium is reducing. For sulfur plus 4 to plus 6 here. So oxidation number increasing, that means oxidation. So we can say sulfur is being oxidized. After determining oxidation and reduction, next step is to write the half reaction. So we will write oxidation half. Oxidation half will be SO3 2 minus, SO3 2 minus, and that will give SO4 2 minus. This is our oxidation half, and write the reduction. Reduction half will be Cr2O7 2 minus, and that will give Cr3 plus. Now after doing this much, now we will start balancing the reaction. First I will balance oxidation half, then the reduction half. So in balancing, first of all we will balance the element other than oxygen and hydrogen. So here in the oxidation half, sulfur is the element. So sulfur on the left hand side 1, right hand side 1, balanced, no need to do anything. Next number is oxygen. Oxygen is left hand side 3, right hand side 4. What we will do? We will add the water where there is deficiency of oxygen. So we will add a molecule of water here, H2O, like that. Simple. Now oxygen 3 plus 1 left hand side, 4 on right hand side. Now next step is balancing the hydrogens. Hydrogen left hand side 2, right hand side no. Then what we will do? We will write H plus ions to balance the hydrogen. So we will write 2H plus. Now our hydrogen is balanced. Clear? After that the next step is to balance the charge. So left hand side we can say -2 charge is there, because sulfur is having -2 charge, SO3 2 minus. This is the charge on the left hand side. Right hand side we have -2. How much charge we have? We have -2 on SO4 and plus 1 on 2H. So 2H plus 1 means 2 ones are 2. So plus 2 charge is here on H plus. So total charge is 0. So right hand side 0, left hand side minus 2. What we will do? We will add electrons to balance the charge. So on the right hand side, because there is deficiency 0, we will write 2E minus. Now right hand side 2 charge minus 2 charge, left hand side minus 2 charge. So this oxidation half is balanced. Now come up to the reduction half. Reduction half, first of all we will balance the chromium. Chromium, right hand side 2, left hand side only 1. So we will balance chromium like this. Now come up to oxygen. Oxygen, left hand side 7, right hand side no. Then what we will do? We will add water. So we will add 7H2O here. Clear? After balancing oxygen, we will balance the hydrogen. Now hydrogen on left hand side no, on right hand side we have 7 to the 14 atoms. So what we will do? We will add H plus ion to the deficient side. Deficiency is on the left hand side. So we will 7 to the 14, H plus we will add. Clear? Now hydrogen is balanced. After that we will go to balance the charges. Charges, now see here. On the left hand side we have minus 2 and plus 14. 7, 14 and plus. So total is minus 12 on the left hand side. Right hand side we have 3 2s are 6. Plus 6 charge only. So how to balance plus 6 and minus 12? We need to add the electrons any side to balance. So minus 12 and here plus 6. Sorry, this is plus 12. Oh, I'm sorry, so sorry. So we have on left hand side plus 12. And on my right hand side plus 6. So for balancing this, can we add 6 electrons to the left hand side? So that will be plus 6 and minus 6. It will be plus 6. Balance 6 and 6. Then we will add 6 electrons here. Now we have 6 plus 6 electrons on left hand side and total plus 6 electrons on right hand side. So both the reactions are now balanced. The next step is to write the equation together in such a way that the electrons will be cancelled. Now in the oxidation half we have 2 electrons and the reduction half we have 6 electrons. So need to cancel the electrons. In the oxidation state also 6 electrons should be there. So what we will do? We will multiply whole the reaction with 3. Then 3 2s are 6. Oxidation half will also carry the 6 electrons. And after that we will write the reaction together. Let's write it. SO, it will be 3 SO3 2 minus, because 3 is multiplying in whole the reaction, plus 3H2O. This much is from oxidation half. Next write the reduction half, plus Cr2O7 2 minus, plus 14H plus 6E minus. This is all left hand side. Now come up to right hand side. First write the oxidation half. 3SO4 2 minus, then plus 3 2s are 6H plus 3 2s are 6E minus. Clear? After that write the reduction half right hand side. plus 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. This is the whole reaction. Now let's see how much is things are cancelling. This and this is cancelled clearly. Then come up to the H plus ions. 14 on the left hand side, 6 on the right hand side. This will be cancelled and this will be left over. How much? 14 minus 6, 8 H plus is left here. Now water electrons both the sides. This 3 will be cancelled by the 7 and left will be 4 H2O. 7 minus 3, 4. Now whatever we need to cancel, cancel. Now let's write the final reaction. That will be 3SO3 2 minus plus CrO7 2 minus and plus 8H plus. See, we have this much. So 1, 2, 3 things here. After that we will write the right hand side. 3SO4 2 minus plus 2Cr3 plus 4H2O. And now this is the final balanced reaction. Let's check the number. Sulfur 3 left hand side, 3 right hand side. Then chromium is 2 here left hand side and right hand side 2. Then oxygen 3 3s are 9 plus 7 16. Here in the right hand side 3 4s are 12 plus 4 16. Then come up to hydrogen, 8 hydrogen on the left hand side, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen on the right hand side. After that check the electrons also, or we can say check the charge also. The charges should be minus 2 into 3. So 3 2s are 6. It will be minus 6, then minus 2 and plus 8. This is on the left hand side. So it will be total minus 8 plus 8, that is 0. Let's check on the right hand side. It is 3 2s are 6 minus 6, then plus 3 2s are 6. Okay. So that is also cancelling. The total charge is 0. So now all the elements are balanced, all the charge is balanced. So this reaction is now a complete balanced reaction using half reaction method. This is for the first time. It seems a bit complicated, but if you practice more and more reactions, you will be thinking it will be very easy, because it is just first time you will remember the steps. After that, after practicing, you will be fluent in doing this. So till then, that's all for today. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.